Actor Dileep has filed a fresh petition in the trial court. The new petition states that the footage taken by the attackers was in the possession of the investigating officer, Baiju Paulos, and that it should be bought and kept in court. The copy of the footage of the attack on the actress is there with the investigating officer, Crime Branch DYSP Baiju Paulos. There is a possibility that these scenes could be abused. These scenes may be used to blackmail as well. The petitioner therefore contends that the footage should be taken from the investigating officer and kept in the custody of the court. It is learned that the petition will be considered by the trial court the next day. Meanwhile, consideration of Dileep's anticipatory bail has been postponed to Tuesday. Police have told the court that Dileep will not be arrested till then. Director Balachandra Kumar, who was a friend of Dileep, said that actor Dileep and his associates conspired on November 15, 2017 at Padma Sarovar in the case of the attack on the actress in Kochi. Dileep's counsel argued in court that although there is no likelihood of arrest in his opinion, the plea for pre-arrest bail had to be moved as it involves high-profile individuals. Although the likelihood of arrest is not there, this is a high-profile case. Absolutely not serious, but is a mockery. The counsel argued, stating that the entire case against Dileep was fabricated. He added that Director Balachandra Kumar brought up allegations when the trial in the case was nearing completion. The allegations made by the investigating officer was not there at first. They were added at a later stage, he said. Crime Branch of Kerala Police registered a new case against Malayalam movie actor Dileep and 5 others on January 9 for allegedly threatening the investigating officials in connection with the actress assault case. They were booked under IPC sections 116 abetment of offence punishable with imprisonment, 118 concealing design to commit offence punishable with death or imprisonment for life, 120B party to criminal conspiracy, 506 criminal intimidation and 34 criminal act done by several people. Dileep is named as the first accused in the FIR. Anup, who is Dileep's brother, and Suraj, Dileep's brother-in-law, are the second and third accused. Appu, Babu Chengamanade are the other accused. One more accused has not been identified yet. The case was registered after some audio clips of Dileep and other accused surfaced in which Dileep and others allegedly threatened officials investigating the actress assault case. At the same time, Balachandra Kumar, a film director, has also given a statement against Dileep on this. After this, DYSP Baiju Paulos, the investigating officer of the actress assault case, filed a complaint with the crime branch against Dileep, following which the crime branch registered a case against Dileep and 5 others. The FIR submitted in the court alleged that the actor had said that the investigating officers Baiju Paulos, Sudarshan, Sandhya and Sojan are going to suffer. FIR also says that Dileep conspired to chop off the hand of Sudarshan, another investigating officer. Dileep is also the 8th accused in the actress assault case for alleged conspiracy. The case pertains that an actress who worked in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu was allegedly abducted and molested inside her car by a group of men who had forced their way into the vehicle on the night of February 17, 2017. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.